It's been 1 month since multiple tornadoes touched down in the city of Griffin and Spalding County. We spoke to city leaders to find out exactly how Griffin is doing and what support its residents still need. The Griffin city manager says a total of 5 tornadoes impacted Griffin and Spalding County. And out of the 10,000 people without power at the height of the tornado damage, about 200 people are still without power. The city says they're working with those residents. About half of the city sidewalks have been cleared of debris. They say infrastructure damage, like the cleaning of sidewalks, will be covered by FEMA. Right now, the city's main concern is reaching those in need of assistance.
So right now, we're just trying to make sure that we're helping everybody that we can. We are concerned that we're not reaching everyone still. So we're trying to get those items out into the community, either through local churches or other kind of ministries.
We're told the city of Griffin needs volunteers to help with storm cleanup. Cash donations are also being accepted by the city's Chamber of Commerce. To learn more about how you can help, visit 11alive.com.